Hey, it's Jenny from Garden Gate Magazine, and we're here at our Sunset Park test garden. It's mid-November. We've had a couple of good hard frosts, and the plants here that we planted this spring are starting to go dormant. So we're going to do a couple of things to get them all ready for winter and to make our lives a little easier in the spring. I'm going to pull off some of this mulch, and I'm going to put it back, but what I want to do is pull this away a little bit, and I'm going to add some compost to this. And I'm going to stir a little bit of compost right in that root zone there. And it doesn't have to be a lot, but that's going to give a little bit of extra nutrients, almost like giving them some fertilizer. If you use aged manure, that's always a good compost. And it also helps, it's just another extra layer of insulation as we go along for the winter. And you can kind of work that into the soil a little bit with a hand rake and get it down into the root zone. Don't get into the roots, but just stir around and then push that mulch all back up. And it'll never look like you've done anything, but your plants are going to love you for it. And then the next spring, these will all be kind of trimmed down. Little bulbs can come up through that, and it'll be all ready to go.
Hi, I'm Jack from Garden Gate Magazine. I hope you enjoyed our video. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel and press the bell to get notified each time we upload a new video. You'll get content with useful gardening tips, design ideas, and how-to help for all levels of gardeners. I especially enjoy the garden tours and talks with fellow gardeners across the country. Be sure to follow us on all of our social platforms. You can see the list below. Thanks for watching.